Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Mirra in Frisco, Texas. The Mirra in Frisco, Texas. I'm looking at their 2-bedroom. This is a part 2 video, and now I'm about to walk into the bedroom and bath. So here is the bedroom. This is a king-size bed. It's really big, and you've got a really nice space for 2 end tables there too. So super big space, plenty of space for those end tables. And then you've got this really nice wall over here of windows. It's overlooking the balcony that's there. Really nice dresser. And then let's walk into the bathroom. So the bathroom is pretty cute too. Oh, look at that. I kind of like this. This is an unusual countertop. It's a quartz feeling countertop. There's 2 mirrors here, and it's dual sink, of course. And then you walk in. This is awesome. It's a walk-in shower. It's really great. I think walk-in showers should be the default, and I like it that they have that as a default. Here's the closet. There's good space here. Really attractive master bath and master bedroom. Now let's go walk and let's see the other one. This would be a good floor plan from what I'm seeing so far for roommates. So I'm going to walk in. Oh, this is kind of fun. So they've set this one up as more of a study, but that is a pull-out bed. So you could use this as a study or a guest bed. It's a really fun look and feel. It's got some good windows in here, and you got all that. Now let's walk into this bathroom. This is more the guest bathroom too. Really attractive too. Feels great. You got a lot of nice cabinet space in there. Here is the shower. So you do have, in this case, a tub, so you can have a shower and a tub. And then here is the closet. The closet's really big. Wow, it feels even bigger than the other one. This is pretty cool. I like all the space in here. So it's a very attractive 2-bedroom. A little different on the bedrooms, but both of them are pretty cool. And then I'm back out here in the living room and kitchen. Hey, I like what I'm seeing. If you like it as much as I do, what I want you to do is send me a text. Just go, Grant, I really like what I'm seeing. Just want to say hi, and maybe tell me a little bit more about the Mirra. Let's maybe set up a tour. What we can do is we can start with a virtual tour. That's what I would do. I would do a virtual tour, and we can do that virtual tour of the Mirra almost any time, sometimes even same day. That way you don't have to come out here in person. We can just take care of it on the phone, and you can see just something like this, but personalized for you. Send in a text and just say, hey, I'd like that free virtual tour. I'll take care of that for you right away.